In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take a print screen and save it as a card in Trello, which is super handy, especially if you are visual like me and you're busy and you see things that you love but you want to look at later. So if that is you, this is for you. I just wanted to quickly note that I am using a PC. I'm not on a Mac, and I'm also on a desktop. I'm not on a mobile or a tablet, so the instructions that I'm giving you might be different. I'm going to be using Control Print Screen to save my screenshots. Yours might be Command Print Screen if you are on a Mac. So I'm going to jump into it. Say that I want to take a print screen of my website just here. So on my keyboard, I would hold Control and hit Print Screen. Now, if I jump back into Trello and if I click to add a card, instead of typing to add a card, if I go Control V, which is paste, that is automatically going to save my print screen in there. And I can click on it to look at it later. How handy is that? It saves it just in there and it automatically sets it as the board cover, which is great because you can really easily see what it is.